Norton as they might be coming here to Orlando.
Route 1 FC.
I say it's a fana. I was saying it's mistake. Shine father way.
Yes!
I take you to I'm not it's a Black Friday.
Passport, Maswanai. How Marele, spill me. One time, man. One time, you say. Get the thing. Aye.
Offside.
Aye.
Still outside. Marcelo Allende. Curls it in.
Yes! I was passing away.
Good, we have us now.
Pushing forward.
We have us.
Yeah, yeah!
Is this going to keep going?
Ah, the Suns, man.
Before set pieces and copy most of the time. No one listens anyway. Yes, Modiba. High one.
Oh, my boy, the young to the
Adams. Reynolds.
put in and visit the
Reynolds looking for Matthews. That's for Pirates. As Hotto goes forward. Here comes the cross. Way offside.
Pass inside.
Wide out to Hotto. Now the crossing gets a bit of a deflection.
Every time he hits the ball,
It's a short term.
This has got some pace here.
Hi.
So is the Bocazzi.
Hi.
To Hotto. Okay.
Yeah, no, Otto.
Hotto waits in the
How?
Hotto's
Hamba, Kopanzi.
Aziona!
Uiswahili!
chance here.
Uiswahili Kopanzi.
Dule brings it up back to there as well. Swung in by Hotto. Makopa. Back onto the right foot. Good block.
I can't tell you why.
Carlos in there.
Keep on.
Dooley losing out. Ukraine.
fighting his war for
It was the corner.
Suarez, Oshaya!
Is this Ukraine arranged?
And the bonus shining with a free coach.
Let's see. Float this in. Header is from So, set piece. Bocazzi gets the header. Clearance away by Kekana. Drives it disadvantage for the return away from home.
Makichima pesa.
Raiders waits for forces it wide though. To the penalty area. To the Buccaneers. Hotto swings it in. He saw so much energy. Good quality from
This is shiny.
very, very dedicated front of the attack. Shorelina scored 5 times in Sunderland's colours. Yes! Jeff punch away from Robin Williams. Swings this away.
Mas se você é muito
Second now.
I know Coach I'm trying to radio part.
Yes!
This might be a charge for another.
Nice. Come on. No. Ish.
First net.